So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng SERP-saya 49 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito, dial lang natin is *123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then dito guys, piliin lang natin yung number 6, which is yung SERP-saya Panalo. So type natin yung number 6, and then send. And ayan dito guys, piliin ulit natin yung number 2, which is yung SERP-saya. So type number 2, and then send. And ayan dito guys, piliin na natin yung SERP-saya 49. So nasa number 5 yung SERP-saya 49. Kaya ang i-type natin is yung number 5. And then send. And ayan guys, sabi dito kapag daw nag-register tayo ng SERP-saya 49, makakuha tayo ng total of 1.2 gigabytes na data. So 100 megabytes araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, and ML. So total of 700 megabytes na data na yon, plus meron siyang 500 megabytes para sa lahat ng sites, and meron din siyang kasamang only calls and text valid for 7 days for only 49 pesos lang. So para ma-register or ma-subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng SERP-saya 49 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.